Emily, this is the last time I'm gonna tell you, okay? We don't pay our employees after 11. So everyone else just gets on with it. I don't understand why you can't. So you're saying that anything I work past 11 is not paid? That's what you're telling me. Even if I scrub the entire building from top to bottom, you're not gonna pay me? Anything that you have to do past 11 is your own responsibility and it's not something that we compensate for. So you're not gonna pay me after 11, right? Yes, Emily, you understand. Okay, bye. Emily? Emily, where's Emily going? Yeah, she'll be back. She'll be back, she has work. I'm sure of it, I'm sure she'll be back, I'm sure she'll be back. No, I can't help you in her place. I'm watching for the door to see when she comes back. No, you can't close the doors. We're waiting for Emily to come back and finish her shift. I don't care if it's 3 AM. Emily has work to do. Emily will be here. She has to be.